In tonight's Mom to Mom, we check out a cool way you can decorate a commonplace room in your home.
Today on Mom to Mom, we are making a cute, spooky Halloween decoration for your bathroom. I love Halloween decorations, so if I can get them in every bit of my house, I'm going to do just that. Today we are making DIY Halloween soap bottles that are super cute for your bathroom, or you can gift it to your child's teacher. Whatever you want to do, it's a great idea. All you're going to need are some soap bottles. I like to choose clear. You're going to get the ring spiders and some mushy eyeballs or whatever Halloween decorations you can find, and some ribbon to dress it up. So first you want to take off the sticker from the bottle, run it under hot water for, a good minute or so, and it should peel right off. Then you want to get ready to put your fun stuff in the bottle. Take your little spiders that you find, you can get them in a craft store or at the grocery store. Cut the ring part off. They're like little rings for kids that they love. Cut that part off. And we're just going to open up our lid and start putting in our decorations. Now these kind of tend to float to the top, so if you want them more down inside the bottle, just add a little more decoration to it. Now once you've got them in there, you can put the lid back on, put a little bow tie on it, stick it in your bathroom, or send it to school with your kids to give to their teacher. Hopefully you love this idea as much as I do. It's super cute for Halloween. If you have any wonderful ideas, post it to our Facebook page and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.
Mom to Mom is brought to you by Pediatric Dentistry of Columbus.